name is Lee Allen Jones. I'm running on the Green Party ticket for the 2nd Congressional District. I am in this campaign for decent people who find themselves desperate. People who only maybe 5 years ago thought of themselves as middle class, who look at themselves right now teetering on the edge of poverty. I am not running in this race for a third airport. I am not running this race about jobs. I'm looking at trying to create a sustainable community based upon the things that we already have. Right now, we're in the country that has over $16 trillion of debt. We're in a state that has almost $16 billion of debt. Many of the economic proposals you have heard here within this forum, they sound conceptually great, but the economics don't suggest that those plans have the opportunity to benefit your communities and your families in the wholesale way that they're being presented here today. My number one policy is energy sustainability. You know what energy sustainability is when you go put gas in your car and the needle keeps going up and your dollars keep depreciating. I am for safe communities. I believe that you should have the right to have access to security to secure your family and not allowing criminals to run rampant. I am in this campaign because I believe in your children and I believe in their opportunities to participate within a global community with an education that is comparable to anywhere else in the world. I have no gimmicks. I am from a new party with a new idea and a new message, and I look forward to getting your vote on April 9th because I have no primary challenge. You have that fun with the 22 Democrats that are in the race. Hope to see you April 9th, and I hope to get your vote. Go Green.